BismillahirRahmanirRaheem. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, as you see these beautiful birds around me, I love them so much. They reminded me of a magnificent story from the Quran, the story of Prophet Sulaiman Allaihi Salaam, to whom Allah granted a special miracle, the ability to understand the language of birds and all creatures. Allah JallaJalāaluhu says in the Quran, وَوَرِثَ سُلَيْمَانُ دَاوُودَ وَقَالَ يَا أَيُّهَا النَّاسُ عُلِّمْنَا مَنطِقَ الطَّيْرِ وَأُوتِينَا مِنْ كُلِّ شَيْءٍ إِنَّ هَذَا لَهُوَ الْفَضْلُ الْمُبِينُ وَسُلَيْمَانُ وَرَثَ دَاوُودَ وَقَالَ يَا أَيُّهَا النَّاسُ. We have been taught the speech of birds, and we have been given from everything. Indeed, this is a clear favor. Surah Al-Namal, verse number 27 to 16. Subhanallah, how beautifully Allah JallaJalāaluhu honored him with understanding the voices of his creations. Once, even a tiny ant spoke, warning her companions to hide before Sulaiman's army passed. And the Prophet smiled, thanking Allah for the gift of understanding. This shows his humility and gratitude despite his great power. When I hold these birds, I remember that they too are worshippers of Allah, each in their own language. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us in another verse, وَإِن مِّن شَيْءٍ إِلَّا يُسَبِّحُ بِحَمْدِهِ وَلَكِنْ لَا تَفْقَهُونَ تَسْبِيحَهُمْ. Surah Al-Isra, verse number 1744. There is not a thing except that it glorifies His praise, but you do not understand their glorification. Every flutter, every song, every whisper in nature is a form of zikr, a remembrance of Allah JallaJalāaluhu. Let us, like Prophet Sulaiman Allaihi Salaam, open our hearts to the signs of Allah around us, to learn, to reflect, and to be grateful for His endless blessings. Jazak Allahu khairan kasira.